Hey, what's up guys? Something just came in and I'm really excited to check this out. This is the Orange10 3D printer from Longer 3D. It is an SLA printer that prints resin using an LCD screen. I'm really excited to open it up, so let's get at it. Handy knife out. Trying not to scratch anything. Okay, close that up. Look inside. An envelope. This is some extra films to replace one that gets damaged or scratched. Set that aside. Got some cardboard. Got some paint filters for reusing old resin. I can just pour it back in the bottle. Got an instruction manual. Set that aside there. Some styrofoam. And this is really tightly packed in here. Look at that. Here we have the pieces for the acrylic cover that goes on it. You actually have to assemble this yourself. It's not too hard though. I mean, you just peel the paper off and they kind of snap together. All right. That aside. A little packet. So we've got some gloves, which are important because the resin is toxic, so you don't want to get that on your hands. You want to use gloves every time. Okay, we got a micro SD card, a little USB reader for the card. Let's see what else is in here. There's some playing cards. Those are actually for cleaning the print head. Set that aside. Set that aside. What's this? This is some, I believe this is some strips of tape that help with assembling the cover. Set that aside. Looks like some cleaning cloths. And our gloves. Let's see if hopefully those are going to fit. Looks like they should. But I bought some of my own gloves just in case. We got some of these clear rubber bands that actually go around the acrylic case to hold all the pieces together. And we've got some couple different sizes of Allen wrench in there. Okay, let's see what else we got. Power cord. I need that. Brick for the power cord. We've got some, looks like some silicone packet, which we don't need. Throw that out. And a scraper for removing the model from the build plate. Let's see, let me open you. Oh, there's the build plate itself. And we got a sample bottle of resin to the side right here. Okay, and then that's all with that. Inside here, we have the actual printer itself. Anything else? Looks like that's it. Take the box out. Let's check this guy out. Oh, some little bits of styrofoam on there. But yeah, there it is. And this thing is really sturdy. It's all solid metal. And it only has one moving part, is this piece that goes up and down. And then that's it. And in here we have the reservoir where we put all of the resin. So that's it. Alright, so let's start getting this cover on there. Get this assembled. You can peel this paper off. While I'm peeling off all this annoying paper, let me tell you a few things about this printer. It has a full-color touchscreen that shows lots of info about the print progress and even a picture of the model being printed. You can use any resin for printing, regardless of what brand it is. It comes with its own custom slicer software and has a print area of 98mm by 55mm by 140mm. That's about 5.5 inches tall. Okay, that's finally done. It was a lot of peeling. So let's see how this thing goes together. I'm going to take this as the top, put that in there. Take one of the sides. Attach that in there. Right, so there it is. That's still got a little bit of tape on there, but I can get that off. This cover not only protects it from, outside stuff like dust, but it is also a UV cover, and UV is what cures the resin. So whenever you've got resin in there, you want to keep this on to prevent it from accidentally curing. So that's it for this video. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe. And I will start doing some prints with this, and we'll see how they come out. They're supposed to be really good. So be sure to subscribe, ring that bell icon to get notified of subscriptions, and leave a comment if you want to know more about this. See you next time.